Hey guys, today I want to talk about a publicly traded company which has the potential to surpass NVIDIA in terms of return on investment in the next couple of years. And I'll explain some reasons why I think so. This company is called AMD, which I'm sure a lot of people know. So let's discuss NVIDIA, for example. So NVIDIA was able to quickly become the world's most valuable company because of its impenetrable moat in the data center GPU market, which is built upon CUDA software for training AI models. We're going to see the shift from AI training to AI inference now. So basically, the impetus for ChatGPT's moment was built upon the H100 transformer engine, and other competitors are essentially large R&D departments for training models. They purchase these NVIDIA GPUs, and then they start the training and publish models, and that's kind of like their that's their business model. So when you take these models and instead of running it locally on cloud and you bring them to your individual devices such as your phones and PCs, it takes a lot of compute, and our current client devices are not powerful enough to handle AI at edge. So the problem statement that needs to be solved is inference runs best close to the data, and we don't have powerful enough data for inference where AI needs to go. Apple was kind of talking about this with its Apple Intelligence, where they want to build the next generation phones to be supporting inference, and they want ChatGPT as close to the client device as possible, so it has intimate understanding of the user experience of each phone. And Apple recognizes this opportunity, but I want to talk about more on AMD. The current PCU's bottleneck is the NPU, the GPU, and CPU, which aren't packing enough power and efficiency to operate these AI models locally. And they need to rely on data being sent from the cloud, as we currently do right now. It needs to get to a point where we can run these models locally on device and without running on cloud. First of all, NVIDIA has a lot of the training market cornered right now. Training requires compute, and what happened right now is because of a lot of compute, we have the architectural changes right now, such as tensor cores, which is matrix computations, have defined Moore's law. So with all these things, NVIDIA was able to take advantage of Moore's law and the architecture changes to rapidly take over 98% of the GPU market. But a lot of it is training. So where NVIDIA has the opportunity is inference. Currently, right now, we're in the huge data center market, but in the future, it's going to be inference. What AMD has to do is basically they need to have a product roadmap that is increasing velocity as the years go on to beat NVIDIA's, which NVIDIA is essentially generation or two ahead right now. With Microsoft aiming to triple its GPU supply and is a customer of both NVIDIA and AMD, big tech can save a lot of money by purchasing AMD compared to NVIDIA because AMD has drastically undercut the price. So the AMD's market opportunity is going to be in the undercut of the price, which is going to lead to less powerful models, but it's still models great enough to develop for training and developing products. So while NVIDIA has currently is the market darling for now, and AMD was able to get some of the benefits as well, I believe AMD is going to be able to carve out a niche market, which will allow it to take substantial growth potential, with the opportunity of the AI inference market. Right, companies such as Apple will need AMD to help out build out the necessary technology to support local devices. Microsoft will need to do that. And even Google's Android devices will need to do that as well. So with that being said, I highly suggest everyone to look into AMD, as I believe that AI inference is going to be the next phase in the technology movement. And if you're able to position yourself right when AI inference is going to take over, the market hasn't correctly taken advantage of this opportunity and priced into the market yet. So AMD is still undervalued in my opinion. With that being said, thank you guys for watching.